Okay, good afternoon, everybody. This is a sound check. Can you hear me all right? Okay, thanks, Bernard. Thanks, Neil. Okay, so basically we are doing tutorial 4 today. And just a brief recap. And what we do normally. Just take note of the attendance code. Just in case anybody comes in late, some of you can help to shout out the password lah. All right, so as usual, Kang Xiang will take one group and I will take another group. And just give me a couple of seconds. I will break the session into 2 groups. Okay, just give me a minute or so.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. So today we're gonna do tutorial 4. Yeah, it's kind of like the continue tutorial for digital logic. Okay, so as usual, I will assign the question first. So today we're gonna go from the back of the list. Okay, so yeah, 1A will be Yu Xian Yap. 1B is Tiva. 2A, Shaslin. 2B, Shinduja. 3A Han Kong Sing, 3B No Diana, number 4 Nicholas, and number 5 Lim Pei San. Okay, so let's start with question 1. Yeah, I will unshare my screen. Okay, so let's start with Yap Yuxian. Yeah. Yuxian, are you speaking? Maybe if you want to unmute, maybe you can unshare first, then you unmute, then you share again. Oh, okay, microphone have problem. Okay, anyway, okay, you leave there first, huh? Okay, I just asked the opinion from your fellows. Okay, so I think Yuxian answer is like f equal to not x plus x and z. Okay, so I mean, what's the opinion of the rest about this answer? Do you agree with this answer or not? Got the same answer. Yes. Okay, someone say not complete. Okay, Bernard say not complete. Okay. I think it's not considered complete. Okay, so yeah, thanks, Yuxian, for sharing. I will share my slide. Okay. So I think for those who got the same answer, exactly what Yuxian did, so maybe there's some mistake that you have made, but now mine. So let's see here. Okay. Wait. Okay. So in this case, we'll start with the thing here is that, okay, when you want to use the K-map, so the first thing you need to identify is that, okay, how many element is there? Okay. So you know that X, Y, Z, so it's 3 elements. So 3 elements, of course, to the power of 3 is 8. Okay. It will be 8 possible combination. Okay. So in that case, which means that you actually have to draw 8 boxes. Okay. For your Karnaugh map. So it will be something like this. Okay. 8 boxes. Okay. So you have 8 boxes for the combination. Okay. Important thing is that you need to know that, okay, that depends on how you draw. Okay. What I draw is my method, okay, you can follow. And then if you have another way to draw it, it's still fine. Because I know that someone is actually drawing like this. Okay, someone is using the vertical one. It's also fine as long as you can find the answer. Okay, but for my usage, I usually use the horizontal one. So I will like assign, okay, because it's like X, Y, Z. So it will be like either 1, 2, 3. So I will assign here, okay, this portion as X, and then this portion for Y, and this portion for Z. Okay, oh sorry, not the whole thing here. Okay, so it will be like you put 0 and 1, and then 0, 1. Oh sorry, 0, 0, 0, 1. And then remember, you cannot have the same amount here. So it should be 1, 1 here. Okay, it cannot be 1, 0. That's the rules. And then 1, 0 should be here. Okay, so it should be something like this. So in overview, you should create something like this here. Okay, so of course, you need to identify that. Now, this is X, and this is Y, and this is Z. And then in another way, which means that I use 1 to represent X. Here is I represent a not X. And then I use a Y represent here. This is the middle one, the middle number. I mean the first of the here, this one. Okay, the first one is representing Y. So here, okay, from here to here, I will represent not Y. Okay, and then the third one is like here, I will represent not Z. Not Z. Okay, so this is how you're gonna represent. So X means that the whole thing here is X. Okay, and then vice versa for the Z, the whole thing here is Z. The whole thing here is Z. The rest is not Z. This 4 box is not Z. Okay, so I guess you know how to, I mean, you understand what is it. So I'm not gonna do much. So let's just start the question. Okay, so first of all, you just check not X, not Y, and not Z. So not X, where is not X? Not X is here, the whole thing here, not X, okay? And then not Y is where? Okay, not Y is only here. So you eliminate these 2 boxes. So you only have these 2 boxes, and then left with not Z. So not Z is only here, okay? So you put a 1. That's all for the first case. For the second case, not X again, the whole thing here is not X, then not Y again, not Y, but is Z, okay? So put 1 here. And then this one, not X again, still the not X here. And then belongs to Y, so it's 2 boxes here only because here is not Y, here is Y. And then Z, only Z, so not here. Okay, next one, this one, not X again, then Y is here, okay, these 2 boxes, then not Z here, okay? And then this one, X belong to X, so down here, all the X here, but it's not Y is here, Z is here. And then X, Y, Z, all X, Y, and Z here, okay? Okay, now the thing is that you need to do the grouping. So when you do the grouping, remember you always only can group like 2, 4, 6, 8. I mean, using the power of 2. Okay, so what you did, the first thing you can do, of course, the obvious one is this one. Okay, so you do this one. Okay, so when you do this one, how you gonna identify what is it? So your F gonna be simplified with, okay, see this whole thing as a 1. So where it belongs to? So it belongs to, the whole thing belongs to not X. Okay? So does it belongs to Y or not y? No, because it belongs to both. So we eliminate y and not y. Is it belongs to z and not z? No, because it belongs to both of them. So eliminate z and not z. So we only left with not x. Okay. So now the second thing you want to do is I want to group again, but okay, I think what Yusen did was wrong here. She grouped the wrong thing, but you actually can group the whole thing here. Remember, we group with 2, 4, 6, 8. The largest possible first, then only do the others smaller one. So we group the whole thing. The whole thing here is it belongs to X or not X? No, because it belongs to both of them. Okay. Is it belongs to Y and not Y? No, because it belongs to both of them. Is it belongs to Z or not Z? Yes, it only belongs to Z only. So it's Z. So the final answer is not Y plus Z. Okay. Any problem on question 1? Yeah, for those who get it correct, wrong just now, maybe you need to group the bigger one. Okay. Although there's an overlapping here, but it's acceptable because you have something that is not overlapped yet. So you can group the not overlap and overlap thing together. Okay. Okay, good. So I think no problem. No problem. Then go to the next one. Okay, next one is Tiva. Well, if you want to say it's correct, it's not correct because you need to simplify. Simplify means that you need to have the most simplified form. So that wouldn't be the answer for your simplified Boolean expression for that F. Okay, yep.
Sir, my one is not complete, sir.
Sorry?
My answer is not complete.
Oh, your answer is not complete.
Because I only managed to apply it on the Karnaugh maps, but I didn't know where should I use don't care. I don't know how to group them.
Okay, the grouping problem, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, but you know how to do how to convert the decimal to the Karnaugh math, right?
Yes.
How to do? Just tell the others.
Okay. So the question states that F A B C D equals to summation 0, 1, 4, 5, 7, 7, and 15. So we basically need to convert them into binary representation of 4 because there's 4 variables, so we need to convert this decimal into a binary representation of 4. So it'll be for 0 it'll be 4 0, for y it'll be 0001, for the 010 because this represents 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 2, then 2 to the power of 1, and 2 to the power of 0 represent. So this is the value of ABCD. So when it's 4 0, we can label here as 1 1. We can actually transfer them into the Karnaugh maps. And this is the value for AB. And these are the values for CD. That's the only thing I was able to do, sir.
Okay, correct. Until this step is correct. Just the grouping is not correct. Okay. Okay, I will continue from the grouping side. Okay, thank you, Diwa, for sharing.
Okay. Should I share my screen, sir?
Yep.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so I hope you understand what Tiwa trying to explain, because when you see the summation of the numbers there, actually is simple. So you just need to convert them into the binary, then you can know. Okay, so for the power of 2 to the power of 4, you get a 16. Okay, so I think you should know how to get the 16. Okay, so now I start from the grouping. So again, so you start from the largest possible grouping of 1 first. So you group the whole thing here. Okay, because it's 4, right? So 2 to the power of 2 is 4. So you can group this one. Okay, so after you group this one, so what it's become? Okay, is it belongs to A? No, but it belongs to not A. Okay, so it's not A. And then, is it belongs to B? Okay, no, because it cross B and also not B. So we throw away B and not B. Is it belongs to C? No, but it belongs to not C. Okay, not C is here. So it's not C. And then, is it belongs to D? It belongs to D and not D. So throw away D. Okay, so you got the first group is not A and not C. Okay, the second group, what you're gonna do? Okay, we choose the easy one to do first. We can do, okay, because now it's the possible power you have is only have 2. I mean, you can't group any four. So you can group this one. Okay, it's not necessary to group this one first, but to show you clearly, I group this one first. So this group belongs to, okay, obviously it belongs to A. Okay, so it belongs to A. And then this one belongs to B or not? No, because it's cross B and not B, so throw away B. Is it belongs to C? Yes, belongs to C. Is it belongs to D? Yes, it belongs to D. Okay? Okay, of course, we still have one left here. Okay, one here. So what we can do, okay, in here, there's actually 2 possible combination can be used. Whether you want to use this one or you want to use this one. Okay? But don't use both. Because if you use both, right, this is overlapping for 2 groups. Okay? So you only can do either one. So for example, you choose this one, okay, the horizontal one. So it belongs to, what is it? Belongs to not A, B, and D. Okay? Or, okay, you can choose this one. It belongs to, okay, does not belongs to A, but belongs to B. And then belongs to C. And then belongs to D. Okay? Yep. So this is the possible combination that you can have. Okay? You don't need to write out both of them, but just one is fine. Okay? So either is this one or this one. So just choose one. And then you can do the grouping. Okay, so let's go to 2A. 2A is who? Shaslin. Shaslin. Yep.
Hi.
Yep. Okay.
Okay. My question is
You want to question? Okay, you simplify the following Boolean function into product of some form. Yep. F equal to not xz plus xz plus xy.
xy.
And then yeah,
Okay.
not y and
Then
z.
I use the Karnaugh map to ni. Then I group the 0. Yes.
Okay.
I group the 0.
You group the 0. Why you group the 0?
Because I use this hint.
Okay, but you say the hint say that group the 0 to obtain the complement of function f. You understand what is the complement of function f?
No.
Okay, means that it's not f. It's not f.
Okay.
It's not f itself. Okay, it's not f itself. It's not f. Okay. Okay. So yeah. Wait. Hold on there. Okay. Do the rest agree with this answer? And if you don't agree, why you don't agree? And no response. So everyone agree with this answer. Okay. Don't scared about sharing your answer. Yeah. Just tell me what you think is something. I mean, what is your difference with what is shared by Shaslin? What Shaslin? Like, did she do something wrong in the? I mean, some mistake. Okay, someone say, yeah, less 10. Yeah, is the table correct? Okay, I think, yeah, Shaslin, your table is not correct.
Okay.
I mean, you miss, I think you miss, there's one extra one you have. There should be one more 0. Okay?
One more zero.
Yeah, there should be one more 0 in the Karnaugh math, but never mind. Okay, we can go through that together. Okay, so I will share my screen. Okay. Okay, so okay, I think all of you know what's the problem, is it? So let's go. I mean, I will go quickly for this one. Okay, first one is not x. Not x is here, and then belongs to z is here. So 1, 2 here, and then z x and not z, z and x and z, so it's here, and then x and y, x and y is here. X is here, and then y is here, and then not y and z, not y. Okay. Okay, you see, this one, the last one, not y is here. Okay, and then z is here, but it's already filled, so you don't need to fill. So the rest will be all 0. Okay, so this is the rest of the 0, and then okay, so you group the 0 together. This is 1. Okay, so after you group the 0, what is it? Okay, so remember, this one is f prime, or not f, complement of f. Okay, when you group the 0, always remember that. So this is belongs to x or not? No, throw away because it's crossover. Belongs to not y. Okay, and then belongs to not z. Okay, then another one, still can group the 0 because you can group like this. This true 0 can be grouped together. Okay, because that's kind of like linked together. So this one is not x. Okay, this one is not x, and then y throw away because it's cross y and not y, and then not z. Okay, so this one is your negation of this. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to make this f to become a not complete, I mean a normal f. So you need to complement the whole thing again. Okay, so this one you complement the whole thing again. Okay, so yeah, it should be something like this. Okay, so eventually after you not, okay, I think you should know how to use the De Morgan rules. So just check by yourself whether you did it correctly or not. So this one is the answer here. Okay, always remember product of sum from PO, product of sum. Okay, sum, and then product them. Okay, is a dot here. So this is the format. Okay, this one is not necessary because just simplify. But this one is important until here. Okay, product of sum. Okay. Okay, next one, 2b. Okay, 2b, the person for 2b is missing. Okay, never mind. Let me share directly from my side. Oh, please wait a moment. Okay, sorry. Just realized that I missed out the question for 2B. Okay, so in this case, this one I don't think. Yeah, I don't think I need to say how to do it, but I mean it should be something like this. So what you get is this one. Okay. So the rest of things is like how you're gonna group them together. Okay, when you group them, so you group this one, okay, this one, and this one. Okay, so notice here, this one actually you can group the largest one, four of them. Okay, so eventually you will finally get this one. Okay, so after you get this one, again remember this is a SOP form, so you need to do a rules. Okay, De Morgan rules or anything rules like that. Okay, so this one, your final F should be something like this: A plus D and C plus D, and then A plus not B plus C. Okay, you should have something like this. This is your final product of some form. Okay, so any problem with this question 2B? So no, then go to question 3. Okay, question 3. Yeah, Tan Gong Sing.
Hello.
Yes, okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. The question. Let me check the question. The question is asked to draw a general block diagram for add to 1 multiplexer. So this is how I draw the multiplexer. So add to 1, there should be 8 inputs and 1 output. Then this is the 3 selector.
Okay, so why there's a 3 selector?
This one, this one I'm not sure.
Okay, I mean, it's 2 to the power of 3 because you have 8 input line. If you want to select one line, you need the 3 selector to select from them. Okay. Okay. So
Okay.
another question. What is the purpose of a multiplexer? What's the usage? Any idea on that?
I'm quite confused because the multiplexer and the decoder.
Okay.
I'm not actually. I hope you can explain it.
Oh, okay. Thanks. Okay, thank you. Yeah, okay. Wait. One more thing is that you need to label your data line also.
Or this
you need to label
this
that.
input. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Correct. Okay, thanks. Okay, so for the thing is multiplexer, right? Okay, multiplexer generally, as you see from the answer from our friend just now, okay, which is eventually that is a multiple input to a single output. Okay, so how you decide the output of it? It eventually is using the selector, okay, which is represented by S1, S2, S3. Okay, in that case, it's actually used to like do the signal controlling inside your CPU. Or another way is like data rounding, okay, which anyway you can do like when the program counter want to load an address or anything like that. So you can do the multiplexer is the one who use which one to choose. Okay, so it will have the combination like the register, okay, the ALU, that kind of thing. All of them work together. Okay, so yeah, I mean if you have another kind of like more input line, for example 16, so your selector line will be 4. Okay, you need S1, S2, S3, and S4. Okay, 4 of them. So only output 1. Okay. Okay. So next one. No. Where is it? No Diana. Yeah. 3B. Diana, are you there?
Yes. So I already shared my answer.
Oh, you share your screen already?
Yes.
Oh, I don't see anything. Do you guys see anything?
Oh.
Oh, no, not yet. Do you share?
Yes, I already shared.
Can you unshare and share again?
Yes.
Okay, just try.
Okay.
Okay, Diana, everything is okay?
Share it.
You cannot share, is it?
I can't share.
Okay. Don't need to share. Maybe just explain through voice. Yeah.
just now, the first question, the 3A question, it asks us draw the 8 to 1 multiplexer. So
Yep.
I draw 2 of it and
Mm-hmm.
to a 2 to 1 multiplexer.
Okay. So how many selector line you have now?
I have 7, include one in the 2 to 1 multiplexer.
You have 7 line. You mean data line or selector line? Select line.
Selector line, because the 8 to 1 has 3 selector line. So there
Mm-hmm.
are 2 8 to 1 multiplexer, so total of 6
Okay.
and 2 to
So
1 multiplexer has 1 selector line.
Okay, I understand. Okay, but you see, just now I say, right, if I have 16 input, right, so how many selector line I need? Select line, okay, select line. Yes, okay, I see the answer. It's only 4 select lines that we need, okay? But you have, I mean, if you have 7 or 6, then something is wrong, okay? But never mind, yeah, let's check together here. Okay, so in this case, yeah, okay, I mean, my drawing maybe not so good in here because I just use a mouse to draw. So, okay, so you should have 2 of them. Okay, so this is 8 to 1. Okay, I just simply draw. You guys complete the thing by yourself. And then this one is 2 to 1. Okay, and of course you go to F. So, of course you need to have 4 selector line. And of course, each of them you need a 8 line input line first. So you determine your input line first. So you should have 8 here. This one, yeah, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, make sure touch them. You have 8. So here also have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Okay, so this is D0 until D7. Okay, this is D0 until D7 also. Sorry. This is D8 until D15. Okay. So, and then, of course, you need a selector line, okay? So selector line, you have S0, S1, S2, and then also S3, okay? So selector line, you can go like 1. Okay, because 8 to 1, how many line I need? I need 3 line. So this will go here, okay? And also another thing is like going here, this one. And then go here, okay? So this selector line. So you only need 3 for the 8 to 1, and then another one is going here, this one. Okay, so this is the S3. And then of course you need your output. Output is here, going here, this one. And then this is the output one, and then another output, second output. Okay, so they go here. So because you 2 to 1, so you only need 1 selector line, your S3, to select it. Okay, so overall you have 4 selector line, total 16 data input, and then when you go in, then it, yeah, something like that. Okay. Okay, next one, number 4, Nicholas, sorry. Yeah.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yep.
Okay. So for number 4, it tells us to design a 4 to 1, 4 to 16 decoder using 2, 3 to 8 decoders with enable and 1 to 2 decoder. So the answer is something like this.
Okay. A1, A0, 3 to 8. Where's your enable?
Enable here. Here.
Oh, okay, wait. Your enable? One to 2, A3. 4 to 16. Wait, 4 to 16 means that you need to have 4 input line,
Oh,
right? Yeah, 4 to 16, you need 4 input line. So you should have A0, A1, A2, and A3.
oh, okay.
Okay, I know what is it. Your input only 3. I mean, your input is only 2, but you say 3 to 8.
Oh,
You figure out?
isn't this considered as input also?
No, that's enable. That's a different thing. Yeah,
Oh.
just with the enable. Yeah. So you have the enable line. Yeah. But your input is still 3. Okay? So you need to, okay, the answer is correct over there. You just need to add another one for your input to 3 to 8.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I think the rest is fine. Yeah. Okay, and then remember to label your EN, E0, E1 also. Yeah, the enable
Oh.
line. So it will be when it go out and go into the, yeah. Okay, never mind. Let me draw. I will draw for you. Okay.
Oh,
Wait,
okay.
I will quickly draw the one out for you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, I just draw a very quick one. So yeah, don't mind the drawing again. So it should be, okay, this one, 3 to 8, decoder, don't mistaken that thing. Okay, so you should have something here, dot, and then, okay, I mean, you don't use dot, you draw up all the thing also can, you want to use this one. So D0, and then this one is D8 to D15, okay, and then you should have a decoder, okay, of course, another decoder here, 1 to 2. Okay, so remember this one is like, because you are using with the enable, so this is for enable line. So enable line, you have 2. Okay, so this is E0 and E1. Okay, and then yeah, so in the case here, you have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is A0, A1, A2, and then this is A3. Okay, so in this case, the same thing here is going here also, going down here. Okay, so remember the enable line is not one of the output. Okay, it's just an enable line. Okay, which is have different items for that. Okay, yeah, I think, yeah, it should be something like this. Yes, okay. Just I didn't draw it properly. Okay, so the overall idea should be like this. Just remember 4. You need the 4 input line to get 16 output line. Okay, with the enable line. Okay, quickly. Last one. Lim. Okay, wait. I think another lim is disappear also, right? Why people are disappearing? Okay, never mind. Let's just. Okay, so the last one, given that 32 times 8 ROM chips, okay, ROM chip and RAM chip, okay, I think you should know the difference, and then you have an enable input again, so you need to have like 128 times 8 ROM, okay. So again, of course, you need to know that how many which is eventually will make up of the output of itself. So Okay, you need to use the 4 chips and a decoder. Okay, so eventually you need to have 4 chips. So this is the 32 times 8. Okay, so you need 4 chips here. And then, of course, each chips you have D0 until D7. Okay, for all of them, because it's not the same thing. So D0 until D7. D0 until D7. Okay, so this is 32 times 8. Okay, so it's all the same thing here lah. So you will have the decoder. You need to draw a decoder here. 2 times 4. Okay, so when you know 2 times 4 means that you have 2 lines here. Okay, and then you are going out with the enable line. Okay, enable line. So this is E0. E1. E2. E3. Okay, and then of course you need to have your A0 until A4. Okay, so each of the line actually going here. Okay, so each of them also have, yeah, I mean, you just draw all of them. Okay, so totally you have A5, A6. Okay. Okay, so eventually, when you see each of them, it will have 8, 8, 8. Okay, the output is 8. Okay. So for 32, I have total here. If you count from here, this line over here of them actually is 32, which how many make up of the 32? Okay, it's like you have totally 5 lines to make up the 32. Okay, so you see here is 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, to make up 32. So it's like 32 going out to 8. Okay, so you have the idea of this thing. Okay. Okay, any problem on this? What's the question? A4. Yeah, 7 line. And then 5 input here. Okay, 5, I mean 2 to the power 5 is 32, then go to 8. Okay. Yeah, any other problem? Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. I think, yeah, that's it. Yeah, thanks for joining today's tutorial. Yep, we'll see you next week. Okay, yeah, thanks. And then you can leave the meeting.